This lonely boy secretly practiced making bird sounds perfectly, but when he showed it to his classmates at school, it completely changed his entire life. So Samuel Henderson perfected imitating about 50 bird sounds while at school. You see, his classmates would play together while in school, but Samuel was mostly alone at the back of the playground perfecting his bird calls. So when the school's annual talent show was announced, he wanted to show everyone his incredible talent, but his mom was scared he might be bullied for this. You see, Samuel is autistic, and no student like him had ever participated before. So after Samuel's teacher convinced her to let him spread his wings, he got on stage in front of everyone. But she was shocked at all the kids' reaction to Samuel's hidden talent. As soon as his performance began, every kid was amazed at how real his bird sounds were. By the end of his show, he got a standing ovation from the entire school. So a year since the talent show, he's now got his entire class making bird sounds in the playground too.